Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel slime. And the first thing you're going to need to do is to make your activator solution. And I'm using a cup of water and a teaspoon of borax. Now I'm going to add a cup of glue to my bowl. And I'm also going to add a cup of water, so you want to add equal parts of glue and water. Here I color the caramel slime brown and orange, and I chose to add orange in because caramel has a slight orange undertone. Here I wasn't getting the color payoff that I wanted to with my brown color, so I kept on having to go back in until I got the color that I wanted. I'm scenting the caramel slime with obviously a caramel scent. Here I added in a half a cup of school glue, and there's no reason why I did it at this point. I just like the way it looks. It almost looks like you're mixing milk into it, which makes it look creamy like real caramel. Alright guys, here is the secret to making this slime. You want to add your activator in slowly. And not only that, when you see certain chunks coming together, you want to pull it out and put it in a separate bowl so you do not over activate the whole slime. Trust me guys, clear glue is hard to deal with in itself, so you do not want to over activate this. Thanks for watching guys. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And now I'm just going to leave you guys with some slime ASMR.